They have destroyed that seagull. That's pretty awesome right there. I'm scared they'll fly off. Wish he'd look up, let me see his face. There goes the wing. Yeah, it was a wing.
That fucker treats you like a seagull, I'm gonna laugh.
The seagull got stuck on a ball wire, huh? Yeah, he looked like a devil. Fucking mean. I think the eagle got stuck too.
Alright, I got you.
That's a baby too.
I ain't gonna get it, Bubba, I promise.
Do it again, Al. Do it again.
Hell no, I ain't getting close to him. He didn't like that. Did y'all see him catch the seagull?
No. I thought he was stuck in the barbed wire. So we came over here. So we came over here and realized that he was eating that seagull.
That's pretty good stuff, everybody.
Tastes like chicken, I expect. Eat the bird, not the barbed wire.
My boys are gonna love this. I don't think so, he's just tearing that seagull up. He might be stuck, I don't know. He's gonna worry about that later.
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that bird would mess us up if he wanted to.
Yeah, pretty sure I'm gonna run faster than you too.
He needs to get out of that wire. He's gonna cut himself off.
I know, it's a freaking monster. That beak looks pretty damn pointy too, don't it?
It's good for tearing meat.
Hey, we're made of meat.
Yeah, he's dropping some stuff over there. Y'all go get it.
Shit, we're bigger. We might taste better.
They're starting to come around.
Dinner served.
Hello.
He's losing his balance.
Probably wearing a hole in his ass from that barbed wire.
I wonder what made him think to jump up on the barbed wire.
He's young, he don't know no better. Now we'll go down the ground. Shoal.
Oh shit! Golly!